Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. As you know, we do every type of detailing. We do PM, which is preventive maintenance. We do it all, even the smallest to the largest. So I want to do this right here for you, and this is on how to protect and take care of your lighting. These are marker lights. You can use this process on every light out there, and I'm also going to share with you how to make them extremely bright for little to nothing. First off, we're going to get right with it. Pop the lens out, you take a screwdriver, and there's usually a little tab on the back side. Do that number, take your lens out. I've already cleaned this one, but soak it in your bucket of Dawn Platinum. Let it dry, clean it up good, rinse it off. You'll take and pull your bulb out, like that. Make sure it's not all corroded. If it is corroded, you'll clean it up with your wire brush. Just clean it up with your wire brush and you're good. Take your spark guard, which is basically a dielectric grease, and you just touch it on both sides. You don't need much. Wipe the excess off, save it. Stick it back in. If your inside connection, your female part here, is corroded, then just replace the whole outlet. Don't even monkey with it. Now we'll clean the inside. And like I said, we like to do it all from little to large. And you can save yourself a lot of money just by keeping up on things you forget about. This will work on trailers, campers, cars, everything you have that's got lighting. Now we will take our bottle of water and rinse it off. Then you will take your Sweet Project Car Super Duper Air Nozzle. Already looks better, eh? Let's take our 99% rubbing alcohol. This removes all the water and any grease. One more time with the Super Duper Air Nozzle. And I put the grease, dielectric grease, on the bulb first so it seals it. That way if you do this to all your bulbs, they will not corrode. Now here's what we're going to do to make it brighter, much brighter. You have two ways you can do it. You can use a silver paint pencil, which works real well. And you just go like this. Now if you do not want to use the paint pencil, you can use your Rust-Oleum. And all these tools, again, will be in the show more of the video description. We're going to use this. We'll shake it up good. Spray a little bit in the cap. I wish you could see some of the flubs that we have with these videos. Working on this motorhome, I'm telling you what now, I've hit my head twice. Once on one of the cabinets inside, and once on one of the front side mirrors. And I've got a big fat dent in my skull because of it. You can take that, and that's all you do is just paint the inside. We're going to use the paint pencil because it's a lot faster, but the Rust-Oleum works really well. You just take your paint pencil and you go around it, and this will not peel out of there, but it'll have a great bond to it. Get up here at the top edge. You can get a mirror and look and see if you got it, or lay on your belly like a reptile. What this does is creates a massive amount of reflection. Take your cap, you know it's completely dry, clean, everything's good to go. You can buff this up, put your DeWalt buffer in your vise with your polishing pad and some mothers, and really buff this up nice all the way around. And then ceramic coat it, and it'll look gorgeous, and it'll stay clean on the outside. It's like that. Now when you light that up, you're going to see a huge difference in how bright that is. And the whole idea of marker lights is to let people know you're around.